Hey guys, what's up? It's Ben here. So today I want to give you guys a quick update of my cash secure put and cover call portfolio. I did an update I think last week. I'm just gonna give you guys another update just to go over. The stock market currently today is doing well. It's actually up by a couple percentage point overall. Right now, I was thinking about doing some cash secure put, but then I know that tomorrow it might pull back a little bit, so that defeats the purpose. But I will do one live trade for you guys to see, and I'll be probably making a couple $100 off of that trade today. So today I'll just go give you guys a brief overview of my portfolio. So currently right now, Neo right over here is trading at $26.14. So right now, Neo, I'm just gonna leave it as is. I was going to do a cash secure put on Neo, but I think that's not a good idea right now, just because tomorrow the market might pull back a little bit and Neo's price might go down. So not a good idea. And then for pins right over here, I have a cover call on this, which with the 44 strike. So I'm gonna just go to pins right now for you guys to see pins. Currently trading at $26.35 actually. And then right now, I got these at $45 a pop. So with the cost basis of $41.65, I'm losing money on this. But again, I'll just let it ride it out and see how next week or the following months are doing. Maybe I'll do a trade on it, maybe not, but the $90 for sure I'm collecting it, because there's no way in 2 days it's gonna jump up to $44 or even more in the price per share. So that is pins. And then Palantir is what I want to talk next. So Palantir is interesting. So ticker symbol PLTR. Palantir is currently trading at $13.67 right over here. With the Palantir, I have a cash secure put on it with a strike of 15.5, and the expiration date is on 2 days actually, February 11th. So that one I'm gonna get a sign. I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm not gonna be closing it out because I'm gonna just do a cover call on it. So later on, so next week, you're probably gonna see me do a cover call on Palantir. So I'm gonna just leave it as is right now. So I'm gonna have to have like a couple $1,000 ready to buy the 200 shares. So next one I want to talk about is Zillow right over here, ticker symbol Z. So currently it's trading at $49.60. So I have a cash secure put on with the strike of 53 expiring in 2 days. That one is gonna get assigned as well. So I'm okay getting that assigned. I'm just gonna do a cover call on it. I think Zillow, last time I checked on Zillow's price for cover calls or for the premiums collected, it was a couple $100. So which is fairly decent, and I'm talking about in 30 days expiration, so that's pretty good. So next week you'll see me do a cover call. Most likely you'll see me do a cover call on Zillow, because I don't like to hold a stock like 100 shares of stocks without doing anything. Might as well make some more money out of it. So and then the next one is Xpeng. So Xpeng is this one, currently trading at $40.56. And last time, I think last week when I showed you this portfolio spreadsheet right over here, I didn't show you why I did a cover call. By the way, if you're gonna do a cover call, you're gonna have to have the shares available in your accounts. So I just entered this without entering the shares I originally had. So my original shares, I have the 200 shares in my account already. I have my cost basis of it was $29.51. So, and I did a cover call on it at a 50 strike, which is really good. I don't think Xpeng was gonna hit the $50 strike or go up to $50 anytime soon. Right now, it seems like it's $10 away, but I don't know what next week will bring. It might shoot up like crazy, or might just come tumbling back down. And right now, just looking at the order, there's a lot of sell pressure on this side at around like $43. So you never know what the market's gonna do, today or even in next week or so. So right now, I think most likely the premium is gonna be in my pocket. Well, actually, it's in my account already. It's gonna close off in February 18th. So I'm totally fine with that. I'll just do, once this expires, I'll just do another cover call on this. And then the next one I talk about is the one that I'm actually gonna buy today is Square. So ticker symbol is SQ. So going back here, I do have my original shares. I do have SQ right over here. I forgot to type it. SQ right over here. SQ, and then My original shares, I do have 100 shares of it at $114.51 cost basis. So I'm gonna do a cover call on this because might as well, right? I have 100 shares of it. So what I'm gonna do is go over to trades right over here, and then I'm gonna go over to options right over here. Let's look at. Usually when I do cover calls or any cash secure put, I do a 30-day expiration. So March 11th around here. So in cover calls, you basically can't lose money unless you're doing it wrong or you continue to roll out your position, then you'll lose money. So usually I look at the delta around like the 30.3. So I'll do one that's, yeah, let's up here. 125 125 strike as a 0.355 delta. It has volume, but the volume is relatively low. But assuming that if I go high enough to let's see, if I go low enough to sell a cover call, it will get executed. I know for sure. Just going on, I'm gonna do a sell right over here. So quantity, I'm gonna just do one. So price right over here. I normally look at the bids right over here, what the buyers are buying. So the buyers are buying at 5.35. So if I hit this 5.35, I'll execute for sure. Last price is sold was 5.65. And by the way, if I do 5.65, in my medium price is 5.58. So I'll do 5.58 just in case. Let's see if it execute. If not, then I'll just lower the price down a little bit to see if it execute. So I'm selling. So right now I have a call. Make sure it's a call right over here, and I'm selling a call, and I have 100 shares already. So it's one quantity of one is equivalent to 100 shares. So max profit is $558, and loss is unlimited. Basically, if it continues to climb higher and higher, basically you're gonna lose money. But at the end of the day, you don't really lose money because, like I said again, my cost basis is $114 right over here, and oh, oops, I forgot to enter this 100 right over here, $114.51. So I'm selling it at 125. I'm making money no matter what. It's on this one. So everything checks out. So it hasn't moved yet. Let's see. And I'm gonna just go ahead and place order. Everything looks right. So the minimum trade here's oh, so I can't do that. Oh, I forgot about that. I'm gonna just hit yes. Okay. And then I'm gonna just hit sell. Let's see if it executes. Still in the queue. Working. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is just click on this modify order, drop the price down a little bit. Let's see, go 5. Then I just want to get the maximum money off it. Oh, it's gonna go. See, I knew it. So 535, I think, filled right over here. I'm just looking at the contract real quick. 535. So right over here. So I got filled 535. I'll fill this out and let you guys see what's happening right now. Okay, now once that's filled out, so you see that I have a cover call with a strike of 125. Expiration date is March 11th, which is around like 30 days out. Shares is 100, so one option is 100 shares, and it's going to be a credit because I'm receiving that $5.35 per share, so which is equivalent to $535 in total premium that I'm collecting. And this, because of this, it dropped my my overall cost basis down. So total money that I'm out of pocket is $10,916, and because of that, it dropped my overall cost basis to $100.09. No, sorry about that, $109.16. So originally, if you could recall, it was at $114. If you could just rewind the video, you'll see that it was $114 or so. Now it just dropped down to $109. So the benefits of doing a cash secure put or cover call is that you just get the money, and no matter what happens in the market, if it goes up or it goes down, you're still getting your money anyways. So that's the beauty of it. So I'll keep you guys updated next week if I decide to do another cover call on a certain stock or a cash secure put. If you like this video, feel free to give it a like and maybe consider subscribing to stay up to date on my portfolio, or just to learn more about the stock market or just stocks in general or investing in general. And if you haven't already done so, Webull still giving out 2 free stocks, or maybe actually a couple free stocks if you sign up with them. You could use my link down below, or you could not to use it. It doesn't really matter. I'll just have videos down below and links down below for you to learn more about it if you want. And that's it for today, and I'll catch y'all later.